Every great achievement you admire today, every empire, every invention, every masterpiece, was not built in a single day. It was built through something far more powerful than luck, talent, or even intelligence. It was built through consistency. You see, success is not about what you do once in a while. It's about what you do every single day, even when it's boring, even when it's hard, even when no one is watching. The truth is simple. Discipline creates the path, but consistency is what keeps you walking on it. Think about a drop of water falling on a rock. One drop does nothing, but 1,000 drops, over time, can carve through stone. That's the power of consistency. It takes what seems impossible and makes it inevitable. We live in a world obsessed with instant results. People want success overnight. They want to see transformation in days, not years. But the greatest truth of life is this: big changes come from small actions, repeated every day. You don't become strong by going to the gym once. You don't become wise by reading a single page. You don't master your mind by meditating once a month. You become strong, wise, and unshakable by showing up every single day, even when it feels small, even when progress seems invisible. Because invisible progress is still progress. Most people quit because they cannot see the results quickly. They think their efforts don't matter. But let me remind you, the seed planted today does not become a tree tomorrow. First it roots. Then it grows silently beneath the soil. Only after patience and time does it break through the ground and reach toward the sky. Consistency is the water. Consistency is the sunlight. Without it, the seed of your potential will never grow. So ask yourself, what are the small daily actions you are willing to commit to? Because the truth is, your habits shape your destiny. Not your goals, not your wishes, not your dreams, but your habits. Every day you repeat an action, you are casting a vote. A vote for the person you want to become. Do you want to be strong? Vote for it daily with exercise. Do you want to be wise? Vote for it daily with learning. Do you want peace of mind? Vote for it daily with self-control. It's not about intensity. It's about consistency. A few push-ups every day. A page of wisdom every night. A moment of silence every morning. These small acts, repeated, will transform your entire life. But here's the truth most people avoid. Consistency requires patience. Consistency requires faith. Because the results do not show up immediately. And that's why the weak quit. But the strong, they trust the process. They know that their small daily victories will compound. And one day, the world will see what they have built in silence. So let this be your reminder. Do not underestimate the power of small actions. The mountain is climbed step by step. The book is written word by word. The body is built rep by rep. And life itself is shaped moment by moment. Consistency is not about perfection. It's about showing up. It's about doing your best today, and again tomorrow, and again the day after. And if you keep going, nothing can stop you. One day, you will look back at your journey and realize that every tiny step you took, every small action you stayed consistent with, was actually the foundation of your greatness. Success is not sudden. Success is built slowly, quietly, patiently. But when it arrives, it feels unstoppable. Remember this truth. Dreams don't work unless you do. And your work only matters if you do it consistently. So stay committed. Stay patient. Stay consistent. Because small daily actions create massive success.
Thank you for watching. If this video inspired you, please like, comment, and share your thoughts below. Don't forget to subscribe to Stoic Rise, we'll rise together.